Hey guys, sorry it's been so long since I have done a Vlogmas video. I apologize so much to you guys. The holiday season has kind of swallowed me up, if you will. I'm normally a very organized person when it comes to Christmas and getting all of my stuff done. I actually started my Christmas shopping in October. I know that's a little early, but you know. So with all of the sickness and stuff I was telling you guys that we had in this house and everything, somehow I got so incredibly behind. And my schedule has been so screwed up trying to get things done. Basically, our daughter is not sleeping very well. She is going through some separation anxiety when it comes to bedtime, so I haven't necessarily had the best of sleep lately. And her nap times are a little screwy too. Yes, I'm talking about you. Her nap times have been a little screwy too. She was generally taking 2 naps, and now some days she takes 1 nap, some days she takes 2 naps, you know, so some of the stuff that I need to get done, I pretty much need to do when she's sleeping. So with all of that in mind, I am so backed up and I've been so stressed out, so I apologize for the lack of vlogs. I actually have a couple videos in the wing for you guys. One of them I don't know if I'm going to put up. It was a makeup tutorial for some eyeshadow for the holidays. My main idea with that was for like Christmas parties and stuff like that, which it's a little late for that, so I don't know if that one's actually going to go up or not. And then I had a throwback video for holidays at Disney from our 2015 Disney Christmas trip. I have some stuff I was editing to throw together, some, you know, Christmas memories for you guys. But since I have been so backed up on trying to get all of my stuff done, I haven't been able to finish those either. So this just doesn't happen to me, guys. I am so organized for Christmas. I always am. But, you know, at this point, other than wrapping a couple of gifts that we are waiting to come in the mail and grabbing a couple of gift cards at the store, I'm finally caught up on my wrapping and my shopping. I mean, I can't believe that I was still wrapping presents and shopping at this point in the game. And my baking, the pumpkin bread you guys saw me make, that's the only thing I've made so far. So in the next couple of days, I need to get my baking done, and I need to get the house clean. So that's kind of my goals. Christmas Eve, I have some family coming over, and then Christmas Day, we do a whole bunch of stuff on Christmas Day, so I need to get done. I am so sorry. So basically I was just running around and trying to get things done in a very short span of time, and there really wasn't anything to vlog because I was doing things so fast. You know what I mean? So I am done with my talking about holiday stress and all of that good stuff, and hopefully I can get some footage together for you guys. I'm hoping to do a little bit of baking in a little bit, and we'll see. I do plan on having some more holiday content for you guys. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get stuff up, so I am trying. I'm so sorry. Maybe one of these years I'll be able to actually do a proper Vlogmas. So I decided to go ahead and do a little bit of my baking right now. I'm going to be making some peanut butter cookies. sweetie. Mommy was making some Christmas cookies. Do you want to try a bite? It's a peanut butter cookie. Got it? There you go. Yeah, go ahead and try it. Is it good? Alright guys, so that'll do it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. I hope you could actually hear me. My husband's break from work for the holidays has started, and he is downstairs drumming away, so I hope you can actually hear me. But anyways, last night we went out and we did the rest of our Christmas shopping. And now my daughter's playing with the toy, so I really don't know if you could hear me. Let's just hope so. Anyways, we went out last night and we did the rest of our Christmas shopping. Got the gift cards that I told you guys that we needed to get. I know I look like crap again today. So we'll see. Hopefully I look a little bit better later. But we woke up a little bit ago. Got some bagels from Panera for breakfast, and I'm going to start baking here pretty soon. Not entirely sure what I'm going to make. I have 3 things that I'm still going to make. I have a coconut macaron that I make every year. I'm going to be making that. And I bought just a box mix brownies. I was just going to do something simple. I love brownies, so I was going to do that. And then I have a new recipe this year. It's going to be a Rice Krispie treat recipe, but it's going to be using Nutella and some pecans and stuff like that. I am a huge Nutella person, so anything Nutella, I'm like, yes, please. So I saw this recipe and I just had to try it. So I don't know which one I'm gonna make today. I might make one recipe, I might make 2. We'll see how ambitious I am. But I will check in with you guys in a little bit. So now I'm going to make the Nutella Rice Krispie treats. I have all of my ingredients kind of, you know, all set out. So this process hopefully goes smooth for me, since this is the first time that I have made this. This recipe's in the Pioneer Woman Cookbook. Some friends of ours got this cookbook for us last year.